Hello everyone, I'm Alberto Uralcaba.
And I'm Alberto Sandoval. We both have the same name, which should make it easier to remember us.
We're both sophomore computer science students, and the campus problem that we decided to focus on was the lack of corresponding tools available to CSUN students.
We've observed that a significant number of students are navigating their academic journey without clear guidance, leading to the enrollment in unnecessary classes.
The problem with academic planning here at CSUN is that the students are only provided with a general course catalog and no tools to personalize their individual academic journey and all the things that might affect it.
The one-size-fits-all approach of the course catalog is geared towards incoming freshmen with no transferable credit. The catalog does not consider transfer students, students who came in with AP or community college credit, and students who took placement exams.
Our vision is to support all CSUN students by providing a tool that not only allows them to visually map out their courses on a timeline, but also offers the flexibility to adjust their academic progression as their circumstances evolve. Our AI-based solution, Course Compass, uses AI to analyze GE class descriptions to track completed and pending courses. It matches all possible GE courses with the student's major and previous coursework using hybrid filtering by tools such as LightFM and PyTorch, making recommendations that are both required and aligned with the student. The main advantage to our tool is that it is dynamic and personalized to every student. Our tool will be able to continuously update with each student's courses, which will refine future recommendations for students in similar scenarios. However, the implementation can lead to an ethical responsibility of data privacy. We will be using the student's level 2 information such as courses taken. A possible strategy to mitigate data concerns involves encrypting all CSUN course data, then decrypting it once an output is given.
For the roadmap builder, we chose a CSP, a constraint satisfaction problem solver, to generate class schedules for the students. We need to first model everything as a CSP. Semesters will be seen as variables, the courses the student might take will be taken as a domain, and constraints will keep track of prerequisites, unit limits, and other restrictions. We then need to use a CSP solver, such as IBM iLog-Cplex, to find solutions that satisfy the constraints. Finally, we plan on using a genetic algorithm such as DEEP to repeatedly test and evaluate simulated student schedules in order to guarantee the most efficient and optimal schedules. Challenges might include ensuring that all constraints are considered.
To implement AI for our GE recommendation feature, we believe that LightFM is the ideal choice as it utilizes hybrid filtering. Initially, we need to collect and organize student data using pandas and encrypt all course data. Following this, a recommendation tool will be made which should be able to analyze course descriptions against student profiles, ensuring personalized and relevant class suggestions. This can be implemented using a natural language processing tool like Spacey to compare keywords to the descriptions. Lastly, the tool will need to be integrated within the Course Compass website. Key challenges include maintaining data integrity and curriculum updates. So now we will show you a live demonstration of our website, Course Compass, where on the home screen, you'll be shown your units taken, your total GPA, your graduation year, which you can change depending on when you want to graduate, your progress to graduation, and your current schedule, where you'll be shown your course name, your course title, and how many units each course is.
Now if we head on over to the planning tab, we can see that a new schedule will be generated for us using our CSP solver as well as our genetic algorithm. This first year has been completely grayed out to indicate that we've already completed it. We can hide all previous years as well as expand all class descriptions. This shows us all the titles as well as all the units that each class is worth. We're planning on using our GE recommendation system to give personalized and unique GE recommendations to every single student. Now to show you guys a neat little trick that our tool can do. We're able to dynamically change the schedule by dragging and dropping courses from one semester to another. For example, we can move this upper division comp sci class to the fall, where we see that we're given a prerequisite error saying that Comp 380 is a prerequisite for this class, so we got to fix that by moving this class back over. Now say we really want to take Comp 324 in the spring. We can go ahead and drag that class on over. Now we're given this over 18 units planned error, but we really want to take it, so we're going to go ahead and lock it in its place. Now in the fourth year, we can see that we have 4 comp sci classes in the fall and only 2 in the spring. So say we want to even that load out a little bit, we can move one of these classes over and lock it in place as well. Now if we scroll to the top, we can see the regenerate button. If we click it, it generates a new schedule for us based on the classes that we have locked in place. So I moved Math 340 from the spring to the fall to get rid of that over 18 unit planned error, and it kept Comp 324 locked in place. And in the fourth year, the upper division comp sci class also stayed locked in place.